Welcome. In this video I will explain how to fix the scroll wheel not working on your G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. So basically, no matter whether the issue is with mouse middle button clicking or scrolling, you're gonna need to disassemble your device, and it's done pretty easily. All you have to do is unscrew each of these screws on the bottom panel and then remove the top panel of your mouse, and after that you can use cotton pads with isopropyl alcohol and also the compressed air to clean the area of your scroll wheel. Just be careful and follow the guidance on the disassembly videos. I'm sure there are plenty on the internet. Also, do not forget to turn off your mouse before you do that. Do not damage it. And yeah, also before you use any of this, make sure to unplug your battery from the motherboard of your mouse. And if you reassemble your mouse and your scroll wheel still isn't working, then you should definitely reach out to Logitech customer support service and get your mouse either repaired or replaced by them. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.